Hey girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Gabby, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, I hope you don't make it your last. And if you are an oldie, hey girl, how are you doing? So it's been a very long time since I last did a makeup tutorial on this channel. So I hope you like this one, and yeah, so I'm going to start by priming my eye with a concealer. And in order to make your eyeshadow pop, you want to go with a really light concealer or a white concealer. Yeah, so I'm just going to go in with this orange shade. As you can see, it is already looking good. It's really popping. Yeah, so I'm just going to blend that into my tear duct area. I'm just going to blend until it is totally blend out, or until I'm satisfied with the blend. And yeah, I'm just going to blend some more. I feel like you can totally leave it like that, but me, I'm extra like that, so I'm going to go in with more of the orange shade, and I'm just going to pack that on my lid and blend. So after that, I'm going to go in with a purple shade, and I'm just going to pack that on the outer V of my eye. I'm just going to pack until I am satisfied with the pigment. And yeah, I'm just going to pack that onto my outer V, and I'm just going to blend that out. And I'm go in with a clean brush, a small fluffy clean brush, and I'm just going to blend that. And while blending, I'm going to like drag some of the purple into the orange to give it that dark purple look. So I'm just going to blend. Blending is key, guys. You want to blend for days. Yeah, guys, so I am going to go in with more of that purple shade, and I'm just going to drag it into my lids, the middle part of my lid, all the way into my tear duct. So if you're still watching, thank you very much for watching to this point. And yeah, guys, I just want to know quickly, ask you guys something. Do you like, or would you like me to film more tutorials, makeup tutorials? If you do, please just indicate in the comment section, so I'll do more tutorials. Sometimes I feel like people aren't really interested in makeup like that, so that's why I mostly do vlogs and hair tutorials. But if you are totally digging this makeup tutorial, let me know in the comment section, and I might just throw in a makeup tutorial every once in a while, or say once a week. So just let me know what you think in the comment section. Yes, guys, look at that blend. So I'm going to go in now with my concealer, and this is me just being extra, and so that the eyeshadow or the color I put on my lid is really going to pop. But if you are laid back, you can just totally leave it like that. You can go over it with any shimmery eyeshadow of your choice. But me, I like to be extra, and I really like my eyeshadows to pop, so I'm going to go with the concealer. Up next, I'm going to go in with this green shimmery eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pack that on my lid. And you want to make sure you press it into your lid, and yeah, guys, just pack that until you are satisfied with the pigmentation. Yes, guys, just look at how good this look is coming together. I really loved it. Yeah, I like the transitions, and it transitions from green to purple to orange. Yeah, guys, I really love this look. So let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. And yeah guys, so this is basically it. I'm just going to do my liner, put on my lashes, and yeah, I will be back to show you guys the finished look.
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun.
Turn the click off for me. Hey. Da 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 da. Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call